Are you tired of tools that promise innovation but fall short? Well, get ready to meet BlueWillow AI, a game changer in the world of AI-driven creativity. Imagine being able to create stunning visuals from simple text prompts. That's what BlueWillow AI is all about. This cutting-edge, Discord-based AI image generator is here to revolutionize the way you approach creativity. And the best part, it's completely free. No hefty subscriptions here, just a community-driven platform where creativity meets technology. With BlueWillow AI, you can generate up to 4 distinct images per prompt, perfect for artists and marketers who need options and iterations. And don't worry, if you're not tech-savvy, the user-friendly interface ensures you can start creating without a steep learning curve. Businesses, social media, influencers, teachers and students can all benefit from BlueWillow AI. Whether you need eye-catching images for marketing, fresh content for social media, or illustrative visuals for educational projects, this tool has got you covered. What sets BlueWillow AI apart is its affordability and user-friendliness, making powerful AI technology accessible for everyone. Join their Discord server, follow the easy-to-use commands, and start generating custom AI artwork in minutes. Beyond basic image generation, BlueWillow AI supports a range of artistic styles and customizations, making it a versatile tool for all your creative needs. Experts in the field have noted how this tool is set to revolutionize the way we interact with AI in creative spaces. So if you're ready to push the boundaries of creativity and efficiency, head over to BlueWillow AI's Discord server and start experimenting today. Share your experiences in the comments, hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tech reviews. Thanks for joining us in this detailed review of BlueWillow AI. Stay tuned for more cutting-edge tools that will make your digital life easier and more exciting. See you in the next video.